Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix not hearing people in Discord mobile app. Let's get started. First, turn your volume up. Sound obvious, but sometimes your phone's volume is just low or mute. Press the volume up button on the side of your phone while you are in the voice chat. After that, try using earphones or AirPods. Sometimes audio works better through earphones. Plug in wired earphones or connect your AirPods to your phone. Then rejoin the voice channel and see if you can hear people. After that, check Discord voice settings. Open the Discord app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on your profile icon. After that, tap on settings, search for voice and video, tap on it. Make sure output device is set to speaker or Bluetooth depending on what you are using. Try switching between speaker and phone to see which works better. After that, restart the Discord app. Swipe off from the bottom of the screen. Find Discord app and swipe it away to close it. Now open it again, rejoin the voice chat and check the sound. And that's it. One of these steps will fix the issue and get your friend's voice back in your ears. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.